Alright guys, welcome back. I just made a update video on my worm bin. Quick recap. Started them last year, brought them home for the summer this year, and they all escaped. So I kind of just left them out here around the compost, and they are still going. There were a lot of cocoons still in the bins, and I allowed the holes that I made at the bottom accessible to whoever else wants to come and help break all this stuff down. But I've already started harvesting. This was the active bin. What I remember from the last time I was in there was still that pineapple crown in there, completely gone. So I decided I'll start harvesting. Kind of experiencing the same issues that I had when I first got these sifters. The castings are a lot more fine. There's a few things in here that still won't, go through. But the same issues that I was having was the moisture. So it is still really moist. And see all the little baby worms? Benny likes to hold the baby worms. But anyway, I'm still having trouble getting them through the finer mesh. So this is just a bucket I had sitting around, and they are not going through here. I did have a suggestion by a different channel. He said to AJ's, I better do this again and do it right. AJ's worms. He recommended that I let this dry for a while, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I was planning to harvest these, but because I was having issues, I stopped and kind of just left it in the bucket.
Let me see the worm.
Is it any better? It does feel fine. This actually feels really fluffy. This feels like it would be great.
Let me feel it.
You want to feel it?
Yeah.
Here.
It's
Ew,
fluffy.
it's fluffy.
Yeah.
So I probably should have started with this,
I there's some flying there.
because I feel like that would have gone through much better. Look at, yeah. All right. So that's what I'll do. I will go ahead and
Let me touch the worms.
I'm gonna put the worms back in here
Why?
because I'm just gonna test out the castings that I was going to harvest last time.
I found a worm in there.
Found another worm in here?
Yeah.
Here, hold that.
Okay. What's that?
It's a worm. Yeah, this feels much drier, much fluffier.
The worms squiggle.
All the thick stuff.
The worms nice. The worms nice. Oh my god, oh sister, the worms.
Just from that alone, that was a little better.
I was just told sister the worm.
You want to show sister the worm?
Yeah. I saw it.
We'll just we'll wait for her to come out here, okay? I don't want you to bring that in the house.
Why?
Because. So,
Mommy
cool. I will
wake
continue
up.
sifting
Mommy
the
will wake up in the morning.
castings that I thought was going to be ready. But
I found
Benjamin, thank you for joining us. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say share the video.
Share the video.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.